Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's I've been watching you.
What? Who is that?
At night, I think of you. I want to be a lady, baby.
A mountains? A sky? A windmill?
No!
I hate you! I hate you! I swear to God, I hate you!
Alright, guys. The only way we're gonna make it out of this alive is if we stick together, so...
My friends call me Coach. Coach. Jimmy Lamb.
God damn it.
I walk around with my morning erection.
You want an automatic ejection, 'cause that's a questionable foul. But I'd like to see it anyway. Just kidding.
Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy lost. Got me looking so crazy lost. No, no.
To leave a message, just wait for the tone.
Know how to leave a goddamn message.
When you are finished recording, just hang up or press pound for more options.
Really, hang up. No shit. I was just gonna keep talking until he decided to check his voicemail.
For delivery options, press 5.
Just give me the damn beep!
To leave a callback number, press 8. To page this person, press 6.
Come on!
To repeat this message, press 9.
I will fucking stab you, computer phone lady!
To mark this message as urgent, press 11.
There is no 11, you fucking whore!
To hear these options in Spanish, press stroke.
I hate you! Vic, it's church. I need to...
I'm sorry, but this person's voicemail box is full.
Fuck my ass with a giant banana and send me to space with a rainbow unicorn.
I take a look at my enormous penis, and my troubles start melting away. I take a look at my enormous penis, and the happy times are coming to stay.
I'm burning your breath.
Is a tool you can put on the wall or wear it on your wrist.
I'm a computery guy. Everything made out of buttons and wires. I'd like to show you.
What's it all about? You've no idea. And everywhere you look, all you see is hatred. And
Ice cream beef makes your teeth go gra.
Doesn't matter, just throw it away. Why not try some?
my tray? What? Where am I?
I'm a computer.
Oh, look.
I'm a computer. I'm a computery guy. Everything made out of buttons and wires. I'd like to show you.